mean, we've got to, does that have any alcohol in it at all?
God, I hope not.
You're a bartender. You should know this.
Doesn't taste like it.
Huh? Oh. Oh.
I don't know. I get the nephews brew those beers and
Oh, look. Here we go.
This is just a regular apricot drink, but it's refreshing and it will cool you off.
Well, there's the parents of the bride. Taking videos.
Yeah.
Don't do anything you wouldn't want to see on YouTube.
That's the truth.
I'm Steve Erickson. I'm the brother of the bride.
Yeah, we almost met last night, but it was kind of...
No, you probably almost met Matthew. We got here this morning.
Oh, okay.
I'm the older brother. I'm the responsible
You're the
brother.
good
Yeah. I am so hot. No, that doesn't even help, honey. We need a 40-degree.
Your brother just said that about his wife. Or maybe he was...
No. He said that. He goes, I can't believe I'm getting to do this. She's so hot. You know, Curt told me that, a few months ago, that him and Mary were just sort of realizing there was a connection. He goes, you were my resident. And she goes, I'm not anymore.
That's right. I'd say cleared the air on that.
Yeah, he goes, okay, I see that.
Let's go sit down.
Okay. Hold your breath.
Okay, let's hope this goes off.